Good morning. We have the Dow Jones, 30 stocks in the Dow. One of the things that I want to make very, very clear is that we are challenging highs and we're overbought on the Dow. This is the distribution that we had. That was on 11.7. We went down 211 points in the Dow. We came back on 11.8 and we rallied up 184 points. The buyer stepped in. We're at all-time highs in the Dow 30. There's 30 stocks that they've been buying in that component. I can tell you that we're overbought. We called for a pullback because we were overbought last weekend going into the week, and we had a 211. We had a great pullback right here. Nothing like what we called over here. However, I will caution people that every new high makes it more overbought, and there is going to be more volatility, and we are going to have another major pullback like we did here back in 9/19. We said that on stockmarketfunding.com that there was going to be a major pullback from this major bull rally, and that you had to get either on the sideline or sell some of the things if you own Dow 30 components. And a lot of institutions decided to sell here. Then they came back in and we rallied up to all time, made another new high. We've made lots of new highs. We've had lots of pullbacks. This is just the beginning phase of more volatility. I will tell people on the moving average convergence divergence, called the MACD, it's at 126. That means that that is extremely overbought. That each new rally creates a selling opportunity for the institutions, hedge fund managers alike, and a lot of people who bought the beginning of the year in the Dow 30. It's time to take some money. And there are times where there's going to be big distribution days, just like you see there in that big red candle there next to the green one there. We're above the 10-day simple moving average. The 20-day is 15,517. The 100-day is at 15,316. And the 100 simple day moving average down there below is where we're going to come and test those moving averages in this next pullback, is going to be 15,277. Yes. And that the last sell-off had created a sell signal in the Dow on this daily chart for standard technical analysis that the public looks at. We're market makers. We use a different platform, but this is what we show and teach people, is that there's going to be more selling, and that volatility always increases at the tops. We can have a blow off top and then another sell come in. This was a huge intraday sell, once again, of 211 points and 184 point rally from the bottom up total price in the Dow. So just beware, again, as we've always said, that at every market top, if you're a semi-investor, whether you're a trader or an institution or a hedge fund manager, whatever you are, whatever capacity level that you fit in various different communities in the broader Wall Street tape, be aware. Be aware of that next pullback. One of the things that I would like to show you quickly is that you can get involved with stockmarketfunding.com. How do you do that? It's very simple. You go here, you go to trading, you click on the free trial tab. Once you click on the free trial tab, read the content, click get started today. If you are looking for a trading account, we provide you with trading capital. If you don't quite understand what that means, well, it means this. It takes money to make money. Open an account tab is here. Get started is simple. If you're one of the people that want to be in the market that was washed out years ago and do not have the capital but would like to get back in and take advantage of these moves, and your account is below $25,000, we will fund your account. Yes, again, please read the content. It's all here. It's very simple to understand. Get involved. If you go to the trading tab, You're going to see all the live trades that were done during the day. You can join our live trading room. We welcome you. Once again, I'm going to conclude that the Dow is setting up for another pullback before year end. And as we go into the new calendar year, we go through traditionally that Turkey Day is coming upon us in a few weeks. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Enjoy that Thanksgiving Day and be grateful for that day. And of course, we have one beautiful day called Christmas is coming upon us. And then we go into year 2014. And as we enter that year, we'll take a look at that time where the pullbacks happen and or where the overbought processes are and how that you should look at the market. A lot of you have been on the sideline out there in the world because of what's happened over the last 13 years in these markets. It's one of the most hated rallies on Wall Street, believe me. And the reason why it's hated is because markets create such volatility, it washes people out. It's not a fair field. However, it can be very fair for you today if you get started with stockmarketfunding.com.